Hello everyone, I'm Peter. In this video, I'm going to unbox a new smartwatch. It is the Kiwitime IWO watch MT8 Ultra 2. It is an upgraded version of the previous MT8 Ultra. In the back, we can see it is fast charge, and also we can see the back is MT8 Ultra and it is aluminum alloy case. And here it also indicates MT8 Ultra and the aluminum alloy case. Firstly, we see the menu and the ocean band and the wireless charger. Now let's check the watch. This watch is around 48mm in the size, and the screen size is 2.0 inch. And this side, it also has two buttons, and both buttons are functional, and there are two holes in both ends. Here is a microphone. And at the back, it also has two real lock buttons and four real screws. And this side, it also has the speaker and an orange button and with two holes. And now let's power on the watch. Firstly, let's check the watch face. We can rotate this round button to change the watch face. And also, we can hold the round button, then we can move the screen from the left to the right or right to the left. Or we can hold the screen, then to change the watch face. And we can double click the screen to go to the voice assistant. Then let's check the quick actions from the top to the bottom. We can adjust the brightness and the Bluetooth call ring and the menu style. This watch has totally 5 menu styles. And the setting and the Bluetooth call. Then from the left to the right is a split screen, and from the bottom to the top is the message notification. And then from the right to the left is the data. It can show the steps, heart rate, calorie, and the total distance, and the heart rate, Bluetooth music, and weather, and the sleep monitor. Then we can click this round button to go to the main menu. We can press this long button to go to the screen off style. And for this orange button, we can click to go to the music. And we can zoom out to rebound back and zoom in to go to the function. Also, this watch has the compass function. The firmware is also very smooth. And we can check the functions. And then we can double click this round button to change the menu style. The functions in this menu style is completed. It has almost all those functions in this menu style. This watch also supports to DIY the startup logo. In this video, we can find that the MT8 Ultra 2 has two main upgrades, which is it can DIY the logo and can customize the watch face. Also, this watch has the compass function, so it is very interesting than the previous version. Okay, above is all our details. If you like our video, appreciate, you can subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.